Good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. I don't know what all that is out here watering in that water. Anyway, we're gonna see if we catch a bass right here on County Road 18. I had to come this way anyway, so wasn't no need not to stop by here with a pole. I'm gonna be throwing a Fire Tiger square bill bomber to start with. Well, ain't nothing to do but throw it in there and let's see what's gonna happen. I hadn't caught a fish with this color yet of crankbait. That other one I have. Matter of fact, I've caught a lot of them with it. Ain't a lot of traffic on that little old road this evening. Throw up there by that beaver den. Well, I do have my other color with me. We'll throw it a time or two. See what's gonna happen. See coyote tracks down here. Yeah. That may be somebody's dog, I don't know. I see some different plastic baits down here where somebody's been down here fishing. There's a cigarette butt that wasn't here the last time I was here. Right there. Some kind of little fluke bait right there. Anyway. Oh, that was creeping by here. Figured it might be the old game warden. About time I had to pay my respects to him. Most people now, right now, is deer hunting. They ain't worried about fishing. Of course, I used to be one of them too. Been about, I don't know, going on about 3 years now since I've been deer hunting the last time. Try to steer this thing around all these leaves on top of this water. I tell you what, I'm gonna try to ease up in here. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna ease back here in this little back part and make a couple of casts. Maybe I won't lose it back here. I just don't see no bass out here. The other day I caught some and caught one or two in here. I can't remember what. Might have been one. Anyway, I could see them laying around on the bottom in here and I don't see none. So they may be moved on down or whatever, you know. Fish don't stay in one spot. We'll ease up here, ease around here. just heard something pop the water back there. Hope I don't lose this lure, but if I do, that's just part of it. Hot summertime, I wouldn't dare come back in. Heck no. Of course, it's about 70, 72 degrees right now. There ain't nothing says you wouldn't run up on a snake right now. But I doubt he'd be very rambunctious. There's some logs in here I gotta watch when I'm reeling this back. To me. Man, they want over to tow that up right there. Y'all hear me? I'm gonna try to make that cast again. Oh Lord, I about went over in our head first. Man, man, man. If it wasn't for that holly bush limb coming down right there, I could fish this whole hole standing right here easily. Let's try it right over here one time. Or a couple times. I need to look at this lure. Something ain't right about it coming through the water. Let me put my glasses on. It's kind of darting side to side too much, I think. I don't see nothing bent. There's one. Come here. Ah, be still. Boy, he was feisty. I got my forceps in my back pocket. Y'all hold on just 1 second and I can get him right loose. That's a pretty little fish. He's cold. He's just as cold as he can be. Ain't he beautiful? I'll take it all day long. Let's ease him back in here. There you go, little buddy. Thank you for the catch. There you go. Let's make that cast again. I was just barely reeling it because I know there's some limbs and stuff down in there. And I didn't want to hang it up and lose it on, if y'all excuse me. Oh. But anyway, let's whip her back there again. Maybe another one. I tell you one thing, it'd be a beautiful evening to be hunting. It's a little bit warm, but that's all right. These deer where we live at are used to that. I've killed more of them on hot days in South Alabama than I ever have when it was freezing cold. You can believe that. Try another cast over here before we ease out of here. We got that one. Boy, he pulled good too. Little scoundrel was fighting. What have I done up here? I got a little mess in, I can't see. Y'all hold on, I'll be right back with y'all. All right, we got it straightened out. We had just like a little minor glitch on the end of the rod there. Had to slip my glasses on, get it undone. Fishing in the woods like this, you're gonna have problems like that constantly. You ain't got patience, but you ain't got a lot of patience. You better not fish like this. But I have found if you just take your time and go slow, you can pick your way through this mess and not have as many glitches, but you will have them. All these rocks around in here, there ought to be plenty of crawfish in here. I don't know if they are or not, but I had never really looked for any. Oh. So ease up here and make another cast or two. About time for me to reline my reels up. He's looking a little frayed in some places, and I've been cutting it out and whatnot, but it's time to change out this braid. I can't exactly remember when I put this on here, but been on there a pretty good while. I don't like to take chances with my line. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all watching it. We did get that one on that bomber. On the shad bomber. I didn't get a bite on that fire tiger one, but we'll catch one with it before long. We'll find the right one that's wanting that color. But I hope everybody has a good afternoon. Y'all hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, hit that like button. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Everybody have a good day.